Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily increase the size of text in the Twitter app on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Twitter app. Then right here tap at your profile picture, then tap at Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Now tap at Accessibility, Display and Languages, and then get into Display and Sound, where you can easily find that slider. You can just hold down your finger and drag it right or left. Right to increase text size and left to reduce it. And now, as you can see, the text size has increased. You can go to the home feed, and here the text is bigger too. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.